Good afternoon, everybody. Friday here, so got the looking into the weekend, and got some local and state stuff to go over here, and then the COVID numbers, and then I'm going to cover the weather going into the weekend. So, to start off, Memorial Hospital of Sweetwater County works with public health on employee contact tracing. And then as the novel coronavirus pandemic continues, Sweetwater County is continuing to see more cases of COVID-19. Memorial Hospital of Sweetwater County is no exception. This is, I think, referring back to a couple weeks ago, the employee they had contract the virus. And then, so right here, as of July 16th, 11 hospital employees have had positive PCR tests for SARS-CoV. It's basically CoV-2, and therefore are diagnosed with COVID-19. This is what Kim White, the Memorial Hospital Incident Commander, said. All 11 employees have been able to safely isolate at home, according to a press release. So right now, the people who have been exposed, they're working with public health to try and trace who those people have came in contact with, and let those people know, hey, you need to quarantine, and then have those people contact whoever they've came in contact with, just in case. Up next, woman returns to Sheridan after medical service in New York. Peering down a quiet New York City street through bus window, Lieutenant Commander Shay Whetstone, I hope I said her name correctly, observed an unusually desolate and trafficless cityscape, a once-in-a-lifetime beautiful but sinister view. Whetstone, a Sheridan resident and Navy reservist, was recalled as part of a rapid response team to support hard-hit New York City hospitals during an influx of COVID-19 patients. She said, all I can say is going there, it would look like a war zone. Whetstone said, we are practicing wartime medicine, essentially. She deployed, I believe it said, let me see if I can find it here real quick. She received 24-hour notice of her deployment on April 5th and boarded a plane to Fort Dix, New Jersey, the following day, leaving 3 children, a husband behind in Sheridan until she returned June 25th. So, happy for her, and glad she's home, and I'm sure her kids and her husband are glad to see her, and thank you for helping out during these times. So just a little snippet here. So if you guys are looking for something to do over the weekend, maybe going up to Lander or something like that. The Muley Fanatic is raffling off a Jeep to support their Deer Elk Ecology project, and they're going to be at the Fremont dealership in Lander, and they're going to be there from 9 to 2 serving food, and people can buy raffle tickets for the Jeep. And I believe they're raffling it off at 2 p.m. tomorrow. Could be wrong, but I think so. They do have a video on their website and YouTube page about it, so double check that time and watch that video, and I believe it's 2 p.m. that they're going to raffle it off, maybe. But if you guys are looking for something to do, if you're going to Lander, you want to stop by, buy a raffle ticket, eat some hamburgers, hot dogs, you have that to do if you decide to go up there. So, now just on to some Wyoming COVID-19 numbers. Lab confirmed cases are 1,678, and then recovered out of those are 1,282. There's 391 probable cases, and 308 of those are recovered, and there are 24 deaths. Sweetwater County has 151 lab-confirmed cases. The number of lab-confirmed cases in the last 24 hours are 4, and the rate for lab-confirmed cases is 357 per 100,000 residents. There's 11 probable cases. Total number of cases recovered, 134. 124 of those are lab confirmed, and then 10 of those are probable. And then we have had 2 COVID deaths. Hearts out to those families. sorry. Wish you guys the best, and hope you guys can find some peace in this. On the world and nation numbers, total confirmed across the globe is 13,921,699. In the U.S., there's 3,622,709 confirmed cases. Global deaths, 593,072 deaths. 138,910 of those deaths are in the U.S. So, still, when you look at the ticker here on the Johns Hopkins University site, it's still going up for the world. So, wear a mask, do your part, wash your hands, social distance. That's all you can do. All we can do is our part, and try and get this going in the right direction. Now on to some weather for the weekend. Let's go here, 7-day forecast. So we got a really actually good, nice weekend again ahead of us. Windy, but Saturday, 90 degrees is the high, but there in no chance of rain or precipitation, but there is going to be winds out of the west at 22 miles an hour. Sunday, 90 degrees again, no chance of precipitation, and then a wind out of the west at 20 miles an hour. So, and it's supposed to be mostly sunny, so going to be sunny, hot, but windy, which used to that. But get out and enjoy the weekend, do something fun, go out to the lake, play cornhole, do something. Just social distance, follow health protocols, wash your hands, wear a mask if you need to, and you should be wearing a mask anyways. I should be wearing a mask, but I'm not right now because I'm in my home. But everybody, have a good weekend. Treat everybody the way you want to be treated. Wash your hands, stay safe, and I will see you guys on Tuesday.